What's going on, everyone? This is Joey back here with the Yamaha R1. Today we're going to be installing the TechSpec tank grips. Everything we need to do this is super simple. Some off-brand Windex, microfiber towel, your mom's hair dryer, for me an extension cord, and I have to use my outlet in my truck to power it because I'm in a storage unit and there's no power. So let's get to it right now. First things first, we're just going to wipe down the tank on every surface where the tank pads are going to be installed so there's no debris in the way of the adhesive. Windex, whatever, works perfectly fine for this. It's not going to damage your paint or anything like that. You don't need too much, just a little bit, just to get the surface clean. And let's just dry it off. And we're ready for the heat. I bought that whole bottle to use one spray. Whatever. Alright, let's get into this. Everybody I see on YouTube that has this generation R1 uses these exact same grips, so I went ahead and got them too. They look very nice. If I could open it. That is obviously the first step, is opening it. Here we have all the grips. Most importantly, we got some new stickers, so I could add them onto my little shelf and got a little collection going, so that's always fun. Now this could be the most obviously scariest part because, you know, there's no directions. You know, you gotta eyeball it and put it on there somewhat perfectly so it looks even and symmetrical and to satisfy your OCD. So let's do it. First things first. Right there. Perfect. We're gonna plug in our professional extension cord. There it is, into the old, you know, Dodge 2500. And then with your mom's hair dryer, we're gonna apply some heat. All right, I think I'm gonna start with the most easiest piece. Obviously, you kind of have some kind of guidance with this bolt hole here. So yeah, let's just get this one on, I guess. Okay, I don't know why, but the hair dryer will not power on with the power of my Dodge 2500. So I don't know if that outlet is only rated for so much wattage, but it's not working. I don't know. So we're just gonna do it without the heat. I mean, granted, it's been sitting in the sun for a minute, so maybe it's somewhat hot. I don't know. We're just gonna do it, man. We're just gonna do it. All right, let's get this first piece on. Obviously, it lines up with that hole, so we kind of have some guidance on this. Let's start it. All right. Just gonna start it here. That looks good. There's the first piece. Alright, there's the first piece on. Just pat it down, rub it out, whatever you want to do. Make it flat. Make sure all the air's out of it. Alright, this side is done. Let's hop on to the other side. Alright, same thing on the other side. Just gonna be extra slow and make sure I don't misplace it at all. I do want it to look exactly the same, so the OCD is indeed satisfied. Alright. That looks good. That looks good. Oh, I hate stuff like this because you only get one chance. God damn, it's bright as hell! Alright. This next part is kind of unfortunate. I have to cover up this beautiful paint and these nice decals underneath the paint. But it'll be worth it for the extra grip when I'm riding on the street or possibly the track. And you know what? They do look good. So we're gonna get this one on there. This one is a little bit tougher because you don't have like a guidance point. So we're gonna have to really eyeball it here. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm actually recording this video, just so you can see how stupid it is. But look, it works. But I kind of have my EMS trauma shears out of my pocket balancing this big ass stick. But I mean, hey, it works, right? Look at that. Looks nice. Okay, we're gonna do the other side piece, and then we just have the middle piece. That one should be the easiest to do. I'm not worried about that, but I just hope I can make it this one as good as the other side. So let's get to it, guys. I stay dropping shit all the time. Jesus Christ. Oh. Alright, same thing as the other side. There's like that little edge. I'm just gonna line it up right there and pray, I guess? Maybe? You know? Alright. Let's do this. There we go. No turning back now, I guess. Slowly peel the paper out. Let's make sure everything. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, that looks pretty identical to the other side, which is great. I was super worried about that because my OCD is crazy. I can't even lie, I had these for a while, but I was kind of holding back on it because I was just so nervous about putting them on. I know how stupid that sounds, but whatever. Last piece. It's gonna look like that, and we're done. We're gonna put the last part on right now. This part should be the easiest or the hardest. I don't know. Just gotta line it up where you want it to make sure everything is even and stick around all night, brother. Alright. That looks good. We're gonna start it. Boom. Boom. And I'm just gonna get this on out of there. I could have did that a lot better, I think, but whatever, worked out, I guess. No, I kind of messed up. That's the last thing you want to do is peel it up after. All right, there we go. I don't like how I peeled it up like that. It should be good though. All right, guys, we are all set and finished with the TechSpec take pads. These things look super good. Now, I'm not going to go out riding today with them on. I'm gonna give them at least either a whole day or 12 hours or whatever before I ride it, just so I know that the adhesive sets in and it's not gonna go flying off on the thruway, okay? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The 2 views that I'll get, whatever, you gotta start somewhere, right? Have a good one, guys. Actually, a quick update on the TechSpec tank grips. I was not able to apply heat to the surfaces before I put them on. When you do yours, if you do yours, that's what you want to do. I just couldn't do it because of my situation, obviously. But yeah, it makes them go on better, sticks better. I'm hoping that I don't have any issues with them. But yeah.